Hey, what up, everybody? It's your girl, ADD, coming at you from the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. Now, I know what you're thinking. ADD, what are you doing in D.C.? Shouldn't you be, making TikToks about avocado toast or something? And to that I say, nah, bruh, I'm cultured. But seriously, I'm here to give you the lowdown on how to explore D.C. like a pro. We're talking iconic landmarks, secret spots, and maybe even a run-in with Joe Biden. A girl can dream, right? So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on an adventure that's going to make your Instagram followers green with envy. Get ready for some seriously hot travel tips that will have you saying, DC, you the real MVP. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First things first, let's talk about the must-sees, the creme de la creme, the Beyoncé of Washington, D.C. attractions. We're talking about the National Mall, baby. Picture this, you, me, and a whole lot of history all in one place. Now, you can't come to D.C. without paying homage to the OG himself, Honest Abe. That's right, the Lincoln Memorial is a must-see. And while you're there, strike a pose like you're about to drop the hottest album of the century. Trust me, your Insta feed will thank you. Next up, we've got the Washington Monument. This bad boy is tall, like really tall. But hey, the view from the top is totally worth the climb. Or you could just take the elevator. And speaking of views, don't even get me started on the Tidal Basin during cherry blossom season. It's like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. Okay, let's be real. All that sightseeing can really work up an appetite. But don't worry, my foodie friends, because DC's got you covered. This city is a melting pot of flavors, and I'm here to guide you to the tastiest spots in town. Union Market is the place to be for brunch with your squad. Craving history and good chili? Hit up Ben's Chili Bowl. For fine dining, DC does not disappoint. And for late night eats, DC has some of the best pizza joints. Chapter 3. Hidden Gems and Secret Spots. Shh, don't tell anyone. Okay, you can tell your besties. All right, you've hit up all the major attractions, you've stuffed your face with delicious food, now it's time to discover the hidden gems that make DC truly special. First up, let's ditch the tourist crowds and wander through the charming streets of Georgetown. This historic neighborhood is overflowing with cute boutiques, cozy cafes, and enough Instagram-worthy moments to make your followers weep with envy. Next, we're heading to Capitol Hill, where you can channel your inner Olivia Pope, scandal anyone, and soak up the political vibes. But don't forget your walking shoes, because this neighborhood is best explored on foot. And for a dose of art and culture, head to DuPont Circle. This vibrant neighborhood is home to art galleries, independent bookstores, and a buzzing nightlife scene. But the real hidden gems lie beyond the well-trodden tourist path. Escape the city bustle and find tranquility at the National Arboretum, a sprawling oasis of natural beauty. Or immerse yourself in the local flavor at Eastern Market, a bustling marketplace where you can find everything from fresh produce to handcrafted souvenirs. Chapter 4. Where to rest your pretty little head, from budget-friendly sleeps to luxe suites. After a long day of exploring, you're gonna need a comfy place to crash. DC has accommodations for every budget and style. Check out the hostels and budget-friendly hotels in Foggy Bottom. You'll be within walking distance of major attractions. Feeling fancy? Head to Penn Quarter or downtown DC. Swanky hotels with rooftop bars and luxurious spas await. No matter your budget or style, DC has the perfect home away from home. Chapter 5. Free things to do in DC. Because who doesn't love a good bargain? Spoiler alert, they're actually amazing. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite four-letter word, free. That's right, DC is a treasure trove of free activities that won't cost you a dime. First up, we're going museum hopping. And no, I'm not talking about some dusty old museums with moth-eaten exhibits. I'm talking about world-class museums like the National Museum of American History, the Air and Space Museum, and the National Gallery of Art. You can literally spend days exploring these museums and still not see everything. But wait, there's more! DC is also home to countless free outdoor concerts, festivals, and events throughout the year. So pack a picnic blanket, grab your besties, and enjoy a night of free entertainment under the stars. And for a truly unique experience, check out the National Zoo. Home to over 2,000 animals from around the world, the zoo is a wild adventure for visitors of all ages. Plus, it's completely free to enter. So there you have it, my friends. Proof that you don't need to break the bank to experience the best of DC. Now go forth and explore. Well, there you have it, my travel fam. I hope these hot travel tips have you feeling inspired and ready to conquer DC like the boss you are. Remember, whether you're strolling through historic monuments, indulging in delicious eats, or uncovering hidden gems, DC has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Book that trip, pack your bags, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the nation's capital. And don't forget to tag me in your epic vacation pics. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel tips and guides because, trust me, this is just the beginning of our adventures. Until next time, peace out.